Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today, as I always do. I am doing great, fantastic, wonderful, awesome. All of the above. So today I have some yarn to show you from Hobby. Hobby is Hobbii. Now, Hobby is based in Denmark. I don't buy from Hobby all the time. I do like them, but sometimes I find their yarn to be a bit expensive, but sometimes they also have really good deals. So when they have good deals, I'll buy from them because their yarn is quite nice. So let's see what I bought. Now, I know I purchased some of their cotton that I don't think I've ever had their cotton before. I've heard a lot of people talk about it and say that it's nice, so I wanted to give it a try. So let's see what we have here. But first off, they didn't ship in a box. That's okay. I understand they have to cut down on shipping costs because, you know, it's coming from Denmark to the US. And shipping, oh my gosh, it probably only took about 4 days to get here from Denmark to Illinois. And this is what I got. So I have had these before and I love them a lot. These are their lollipops. This one is actually my favorite one. Color, they have lots of colors. This one is the color is called New York. I have a beautiful scarf on my channel made out of this exact color. So it's 20% wool and 80% acrylic. It's 200 grams or 7 ounces, 350 meters or 382 yards. And it is a 4-weight made in Turkey. Machine washable, but it says do not dry. Now, I like these a lot. Like I said, they have a lot of pretty colors in them. And I like them because for me, they're easy to color control. And I like to color control my yarn. So, plus I love the colors that they have. I have a few more on my shelf that are other colors. But this one is my favorite of all of them. And every time I go there, they never have it in stock. But when I went there, they actually had it. So I think they had restocked all the colors because they had almost all the colors. So I did get 4 of them. Because I wanted to make something. I think I know what I'm going to make with it. I'm not certain, but I think. So I'll tell you how much the lollipops are. They're a really nice yarn. I don't think you'd be disappointed if you got them. I'm never disappointed in them. They're actually on sale right now. They're 43% off their original price. So they're usually $18.70. You can see why I don't usually buy them unless they're on sale. But right now they're on sale for $10.70 a piece, which I don't think it's bad because it's a really nice. It's a nice yarn, and they have lots of pretty colors. As I said, this one is called New York, and it is my favorite. It smells clean. Clean wool. Yep. Beautiful. So I got that, which let's set it over here. I'm running out of room on my desk. I need to clean my room up in here. All right, let me move on here. Okay, now this was something that I've never had from them. But I seen it and it looked reasonably priced. I probably won't be able to pronounce it, but I'll try my best. Crochet recycled wool, reborn wool recycled. So it's 65% wool, 10% recycled polyester, 10% recycled acrylic, 10% recycled polyamide, and 5% recycled fibers. It's a 100 gram hank, 3.5 ounces, 200 meters or 219 yards, and they classify this as a 4-weight, which I would do the same. So it feels, let's see where it's machine washable, do not dry. See if I can see where it's made at here. I like that it's recycled, but I can't see where it's made. Anyways. Now these are $6.99 a piece. I really didn't think that was a bad price. And if you buy 5 or more, they're $6.80 a piece. And if you buy 7 or more, they're $6.70 a piece. So on Hobby, a lot of their yarns, the more you buy, the cheaper you get them. So I'll show you what I got here. So the colors I got. So, you know, it's I actually bought 6 Christmas colors because I'm going to make a big for Christmas. It smells a little like a factory kind of. I wouldn't call it a clean smell, but it's not off-putting. I'll say that. But and that could be the recycle part of it. I'm not certain. It's very tightly wound. Yeah, it smells a little like a factory a little bit, but and as far as the way it feels, it is a stiffer wool. So not extremely bad. It's not the stiffest I ever felt, but it doesn't feel bad. I plan on making something with it for Christmas. That is not a wearable, so that is fine with me. So I'll show you the 3 colors that I got here. I got color number I don't even know, doesn't say. Pearl. It's called Pearl. And then I got this one, which is called Emerald. And look, it's got flecks in it, like tweed. I think some of them had flecks and some of them did not, because I'm not seeing any really in the white. When you look at the picture though, you'll be able to tell if they do. That's pretty. So this is the emerald color. It's got a bit of a factory smell to it. I don't know why. But like I said, it's not off-putting, but it's, you know, that's pretty though. I like it. So I got 2 of the emeralds, and then and then I got the 2 of the cherry melange color. Oh, that's pretty. It's got the flecks in it too. That's beautiful. So I'm going to make something with this. I'm going to attempt a stocking, but it's going to be, I tried to do it, like, I love Victorian stuff. If you watch my family vlogs, you probably know that. I love the Victorian era. It's my favorite. So I got these colors right here, and instead of doing bright white, I did the pearl color, a cream color. I thought that looked a little bit more Victorian than the, here, let me just hold up 3 of them. I don't know why I'm holding up all of them. A little bit more Victorian than just a bright white, but I think that's going to be pretty. Cross my fingers on the stocking because I suck at the heel. I might just leave the heel off and make a straight old-fashioned tube stocking. But anyways, that is what I bought these for. I probably have too much yarn for that, but if I do, then I'll put the rest in a giveaway. But yes, Christmas project coming with that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the cotton. The cotton that I got. Oh, when you buy from Hobby, you always get a cherry candy. It's very good. It's a heart and it's good. And then I got a yarn needle for free. And my invoice, it doesn't have any prices on it, but that's okay. So they have 2 different, well, I don't know. I've got 2 different brands of cotton here and 2 different weights of it. Because a lot of people ask me about the weight on their cotton at Hobby, because it's the way it's weighted is different. So this one right here is called, this is the Christmas pack. I had to get it because it was a Christmas pack. I love Christmas yarn a lot. I really love Christmas yarn. See that? So this is 8/4 cotton. That's how they measure it. See how it says 8/4, and that means it's about a sport weight cotton, a lightweight. Now I'm gonna pop it open real easily. Oh, didn't mean for you to see that. I'm sorry. And look at it. The Christmas colors are pretty. Okay, so there it is. It looks like a little bit thicker of a sport, but not much. The cotton itself, it does have a center pull tab. You can see it right there. Smells clean. Huh. So it's 8/4 100% cotton, which I told you is. See, they classify it as a one weight. I classify it as more of a like a 2, maybe even just a bit thicker than a 2, but not much thicker than a 2. It says that it is machine washable but do not dry. Made in India. There are 186 yards in this 50-gram ball. I actually don't think it feels like extraordinary, really. It's not bad, of course. You know, I would use it for a garment, but I wouldn't, because I think the price is kind of high. Let's look at their packs of cotton, because that's what I got. They sell them individual, but I believe it's cheaper if you buy them in the packs. So this is the Christmas pack, which I got, and it's on sale right now. It's $14.90, and that's for a 10-pack. So that made them about $1.50 a piece for 186 yards of a sport weight. To me, it's not the softest cotton. I don't want to bash anybody that likes hobby yarn or cotton, because a lot of people do, and everybody, you know, is just feels what they feel and how they feel. But to me, it just kind of feels like peaches and cream cotton that you can get at Walmart, like you'd make a wash rag with or something, or a dish towel. But I still think you can make a nice lightweight shawl or something with this. I'm going to keep it because it's Christmas yarn. I love Christmas yarn. I really love Christmas yarn. I really love Christmas yarn. But yeah, there's the colors in the Christmas pack. So there's that. And then they have it in a, this is the Rainbow 8/8 quality. This is a 10-pack of 8/8. And I paid $27 for that. I paid that so I could show you guys what it was like. So as far as that one sport weight goes, maybe to soften up after you wash it, I guess, but you can't. It does say not to dry it. This one feels a little bit better than that one, but now this is the 8/8 variety of the Rainbow. It's got the pull start. There's 82 yards in here, and they classify this as a 3-weight, which I would agree that it's a 3-weight, a little thicker 3, but still a 3-weight. 100% cotton. It feels better than the 2-weight or the 1-weight or whatever they classify that. I don't know why, but it still feels it's garment worthy. Yeah, feels better. But $27. There's only 82 yards here. I didn't even get it. I got a 10-pack here. I didn't even get 1,000 yards for $27. That's outrageous. I got like 820 yards for $27. To me, that is a bit pricey, but I wanted to get it to show you guys. Okay, then they had another brand of cotton. It's called We Love Yarn. So we can see the difference, if there's a difference in them or not. I don't know. Yeah, that was a Rainbow, and then we have We Love Yarn. Now they have solid 10 packs, which are $15 for 10. And then mine is a variegated, not variegated, but different color 10 packs. Yeah, 15. These are $15.50 for 10. So they are about $12 cheaper than the other ones. Let's see how they look and how they feel. Comparable. Feel about the same. Not bad. 100% cotton. 70 or 82 yards. So the yardage is the same. Excuse me. The yardage is the same. The feel is the same. And the weight is the same. It says it's a 3, which I would say it's in between a 3 and a 4. Might be a little bit closer to a 4. And this was $12 cheaper. So if I was going to buy Hobby's Cotton again, I would definitely buy the We Love Yarn brand versus the Rainbow. Maybe the We Love Yarn brand doesn't have as brightest colors. I have no idea. That could be it. Let me see. No, they got bright color. No, that's Rainbow. That could be why they're cheaper. But I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I would buy these. So I got the 10 pack here for $15.50. Still only 820 yards there of a close to a 4-weight cotton. There we go. It's not bad. It's not a bad cotton. I prefer this one over the Rainbow, although I do like the colors of the Rainbow brand, but I think I like the price and the feel of this one a little bit better. Now remember, these are only my own personal opinions. Oh, these were only $11.70. I'm sorry, not 15, $11.70. So these were like $16 cheaper than these. Yeah, so that's not bad. That's not bad. They don't have they don't have a lot of colors to choose from. That could be the difference. The Rainbow has a multitude of colors, every color under the rainbow. This brand right here, the We Love Yarn, is limited on their color packs. I didn't get the brown one. Oh yeah, I did get the brown one. They do have some variegateds. But you know, it is what it is. If you get the solid pack of We Love Yarn or Cotton, they got a lot more colors. But if you get the variety pack, they just have a few. But I just wanted to get the variety pack because I just want to test it out and show you guys. So yes, I would buy this one again. I wouldn't buy the Rainbow again because I think it's too much money. I can get cotton that I think feels a little, quite a bit better actually, for less money and more yardage. So, but that, you know, that's my opinion. It does. Everybody's different. A lot of people like that, and there's nothing wrong with that. I do love their candy though. So, all in all, I'm happy with everything that I got. Look forward for that Christmas stocking tutorial. And if it doesn't have a heel, you know that I couldn't do it. And I still hope that you make it anyways. Alright, I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Thanks for watching. Alright, bye guys.